Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to schedule a post on Instagram. So first of all, just go ahead to your app store, Google Play. And what you're gonna do here, you're gonna just start looking for Instagram. And what I'm gonna do before I do anything, obviously I'm gonna just double check if the Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it. And if it doesn't, just go ahead to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click right here the Instagram app. Alright, and I'm gonna just open it. Right, in order to schedule a post, we need to create a post, of course. So I'm gonna just click right here the plus, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just simply select the the video or the photo that you want to add. Let's say for example I want to add this one, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and let's say for example I want to add something just like this, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and just cancel this one right here, and I'm gonna just hit next. Okay, basically hit next again, and what you're gonna do, you can just see right here that I will add something like caption or something like that. Hit OK, and what you're gonna do, you can just see right here in the advanced settings, just go ahead and click on it, and basically you'll be able to right here to see schedule this post, toggle it on, and just select the day and the date, right? So basically I'm selecting the day and the time that I want to post this picture or video. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.